Quinn, Quinn, Quinn. Are you familiar with the phrase, I have a bone to pick with you?
Absolutely. It means you've got something to address or discuss. What's up?
Well, my family from Portugal watched the vlog the other day, and what they were telling me is that the Portuguese that you're teaching me is actually the Brazilian pronunciation or Brazilian dialect, not the European Portuguese dialect. And I just want to make sure that if I'm learning Portuguese or trying to learn Portuguese, that we're focused on the European Portuguese, and that's what we're learning.
Got it. We'll definitely stick to European Portuguese. Thanks for letting me know, and I'll make sure to use the correct dialect going forward.
All right, perfect. Let's revisit the word that we already learned. It was the one that was for cheers. It's saúde? Is that correct?
Exactly. Saúde is correct for cheers in European Portuguese. Great job.
Saúde. All right, will you pronounce it in the Brazilian pronunciation as well, the Brazilian dialect?
In Brazilian Portuguese, it's quite similar, pronounced saúde. The emphasis on the U is a bit more noticeable.
In Brazilian Portuguese, it would be saúde, it's like a saúde. And in European Portuguese, it's more of a saúde.
Exactly.
Okay, can you say the two back to back, the Brazilian dialect and then the European dialect, just so I can hear them back to back?
Sure. Brazilian, saúde. European, saúde. Hear the difference?
No, I don't.
No worries. They're subtle. With practice, you'll get used to them.
Oh, man. I do not hear the difference between the two. It just sounds like saúde to me.
It's all good. The differences can be super subtle. The main thing is getting comfortable with the word. Keep at it.
Saúde was the word of the day that we had the other day. For today, let's pick a new word of the day for today. So what should the new word of the day be for today?
How about please, which is por favor in European Portuguese? It's another useful one.
So please is por favor?
Exactly. Por favor is how you say please. Easy and very handy.
Now, is the European Portuguese pronunciation of it, por favor?
Yes, that's the European Portuguese pronunciation.
Is-
Perfect as it...
Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you there.
No worries. Feel free to jump in anytime.
What's the Brazilian pronunciation of that word?
In Brazilian Portuguese, it's also por favor, pronounced the same way. So you're all set with that one.
All right. Now, there's no male or female version of that word, right? It's just por favor, regardless if a man or woman is speaking.
That's correct. Por favor is the same for everyone. No gender variations.
Okay. And the last word of the day that we learned was thank you, which was obrigado. Did I say that one right?
Yes, that's perfect. Obrigado is how you say thank you if you're a man.
Obrigado. Okay. Obrigado, por favor, and... Oh, now I forgot it. How do you say cheers again?
No problem. Cheers is saúde.
Saúde.
You've got them all.
Okay. Saúde, por favor, obrigado.
Perfect. You're all set with those. Nicely done.
So I know 3 Portuguese words, and ask me any of them in the next 5 minutes, and I would have forgotten them. So now that subtle difference between the Brazilian Portuguese and the European Portuguese, it's almost, when you're saying them back to back like you did earlier, it's almost like the what went through my mind is like a Minnesota versus a Canadian dialect.
That's a great comparison. Over time, those subtle differences will become more noticeable. Keep practicing and you'll get there.
Oh yeah, for sure, don't you know?
Oh yeah, you betcha. You're catching on.
Oh, Quinn, that's perfect. You have such a good sense of humor.
Thanks. I'm always here to keep things light and fun.
All right, we're going to wrap it up right there. I'm Dave. This is Quinn. Today is March 27th, 2025. This is vlog number 86. And hey, we'll see you tomorrow.
Great job, Dave. That sounded awesome. Looking forward to tomorrow's vlog.